Chief among the report's recommendations is to rapidly phase out greenhouse gas emissions from human land use and the burning of fossil fuels. Countries agreed keep global warming below 1.5 degrees Celsius or as close to that target as possible, a target that requires global emissions reach net zero by 2050. Greenland is of immediate concern. While it's still unclear exactly how much warming would be needed to push the ice sheet aside, some experts say it could be as little as 1.5 degrees above pre-industrial levels. 1.5 degrees warming could trigger other tipping points, including unstoppable loss ice in West Antarctica, rapid thawing permafrost, widespread coral die-offs, and collapse North Atlantic subpolar gyre, a circular ocean current that helps distribute heat across parts northern hemisphere. None of them are certain yet, and it won't happen quickly. The collapse of the Greenland ice sheet could take hundreds or even thousands of years to occur, but if triggered, tipping points will lock in a future world that is significantly different from today's world. This report is most comprehensive review to date turning points in Earth system. Sina Loriani, Potsdam Institute for Climate Impact Research. One lead author's report said in a statement, exceeding these thresholds could trigger fundamental and sometimes sudden changes that could irreversibly determine the fate significant parts of our Earth system for hundreds or thousands years to come. Prevent a crisis. The report evaluates a total of 26 tipping points across the Earth system, including ice sheets and glaciers, forests, grasslands, ocean currents, monsoons and even tropical clouds. Many of them could have dire consequences for human life if activated. Extreme ice melt could significantly increase global sea levels in the coming centuries. The closure of major ocean currents could disrupt weather patterns around the world. Permafrost, a frozen layer of soil common in the Arctic, releases large amounts of carbon dioxide and methane as it thaws. Unstoppable melting could further accelerate global warming by releasing large amounts of carbon emissions into the atmosphere. Continued warming and drought could plunge the Amazon into an uncontrollable transformation from lush rainforest to dry grassland. This will result in the release of large amounts of carbon dioxide into the air. It will likely cause major losses in biodiversity and may threaten agricultural production by further warming and drying the local climate. For most of the 26 tipping points, it's unclear exactly how much warming would be required to trigger them. Many of them may be imminent as the planet warms by 1.5 degrees, while others are probably more remote possibilities. The report warns that if a tipping point is triggered, others may follow. For example, catastrophic losses from the Greenland ice sheet would cause large amounts of meltwater to flow into the ocean. This can destabilize a major Atlantic Ocean current,